Welcome, dear Dinka learners. Let us translate the following sentences into Dinka language. The things we need the government of South Sudan to do for us. Kewichku bi akuma Junuba Sudan kaloi tanok. The first thing we need our government of South Sudan to do for us is 1. Ogawich Bay Akim Ogawich Bay Akim Bay Koitwan, meaning we want hospitals. Ogawich Bay Pioch or Panabun or Bay Pioch. That means we want schools. We want schools. Number 3, Ogawich Del. Ogawich Del. Del mean plurals of Del, which mean in English we want roads. Number 4, Ogawich door. Ogawich door. Ogawich door in English is we need peace. We need peace. Number 5, Ogawich buk oyich mat. Ogawich buk oyich mat. We need to unite ourselves. As 64 tribe, we need to unite ourselves. Ogawich bugoyi mat. Akuma awich bokony bugoyi mat. Number 6, Ogawich tong believe ibn. Ogawich tong believe ibn. That means we don't want fighting. We don't want conflicts. We don't want war. Tong mean fighting, conflict or war. We don't want fighting at all. Meaning Ogawich tong believe even mean we need the war to end at all forever. Number 7, Ogawich Turumbil Dompur. Ogawich Turumbil Dompur mean we want the tractors for cultivations. We want tractors for our agriculture. Number 8, Ogawich bepan dati tuan. Ogawich bepan dati tuan. Pandati tuan mean tuan. Tuan alone mean sickness. Teeth mean and panda mean. Ogawich bepan dati tuan mean we need to protect our country from all kind of sicknesses, from all kind of diseases. Number 9, Uga big pandatit alay. Uga which book pandatit alay mean we need our country to be protected from strangers or from enemies. Number 10, Uga which pan kura beguir. Uga which pan kura beguir mean we want football stadium. We want stadiums in all South Sudan, in all 10 states plus the administrative areas. We need football stadium, the one like the real one in Europe, the real one in America. We need them in South Sudan. Uga which will be dom coach Louis ke akuma na tok pe. Uga which will be dom coach Louis ke akuma na tok pay. We need the salaries to be given to those working with the government every month. Number 12, will coach Louis ke akuma ajwak. Will coach Louis ke akuma ajwak. meaning we need the salaries to be increased. The salaries of those people working with the government, we need them to be increased. Our salaries are very, very, very low, very low. Imagine if you receive 20 euro or 15 euro for a month. How is that going to help you? Very poor indeed. We need our salaries to be increased. Well, Koilui, ke akuma ajok. Ajok is our demand. Ajok, well, ajok. One day we will go in the street and demand, well, ajok, well, ajok, well, ajok. Lazim bakuma. But well, jack by all means. Because Kajaki Lebu Kajalui, Kasara Pat, Payala Nok, Yele Lui Maktabi. At the end, Kachinko Baban young Miet could be cham, Kachinko bin Manduyat Panakim, Chinko bin Tiangduyat Panakim, Chingo in Miet to call the let, Wachingo Guiri Pando. So that's why people are doing a lot of corruption because we are key drug, we are drug, we are drug. Uh, so that's our demand. 13, Uga which the myth kudiar ku koydit ci diop ya tek uga which the myth kudiar ku koydit ci diop ya tek. Yes, we need to respect children, kids, women's, and older peoples. We need to respect them. So we also need to help them. Number 14, uga which panrianyal uga which panrianyal mean we need international airport. International airport is not just international, the standard international airport in all 10 states, not only in one state. So you take one of the international airport in a will, in Jonglei, in other parts of South Sudan. Number 15, which, sorry, this is incomplete. Which mean we won. Yenekan, The End by William Majak, Deputy Tongjangs. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you get all the updates about the Dinka lessons. This lesson, I am the only one that write them on my head. I don't have books. I use two things and write them. If you have books, please help me. Give me books so that I will be giving you a very good lessons. And a person who have books, Dinka books from primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 to 7, please inbox me or you can offer them to me to send them to me. I've been looking for books in 2022. Up to now, I never get them. So I need your help, guys. Thank you very much. Peace of God with you, also with me. Bye bye, William.